Let's understand these two laws. First one is law of parallelogram. The statement of law of parallelogram is, I will explain you by figure. This is one is parallelogram. Okay. These four sides of parallelogram. Okay. This one is a point. Two concurrent forces acting on a parallelogram by two adjacent sides. First one is P, second one is Q. The angle between these two is theta. Okay. Then the resultant force of this is the diagonal of the parallelogram, which start from the intersection points O. It is considered as R, and the angle of R is at alpha. So the statement is, if two adjacent forces of magnitude and direction, the magnitude is in kilonewton and the direction is either tensile or compressive, occurs on the two adjacent sides of the parallelogram, then the resultant force is the diagonal of the parallelogram. So the equation to find the resultant is R is equal to under root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. And the alpha is decided by Q sin theta divided by P plus Q cos theta, tan alpha. Now there is a derivation to prove this equation. Okay, so how it is being proved? So let us consider a figure again. Let me draw one figure like this. If this one is a parallelogram, P and Q, I will take this as A, B, C, D. I will extend this to the till it becomes the 90 degree at the D point. The point is E. Okay. Consider the AB as P, AC as Q. If the AC is Q, then the BD will be also Q. BD will also be considered as Q. Okay, it means if AB is equal to P, then AB plus BE. So what will be the BE and ED value? So let's draw this portion. We need to find the resultant. Okay, so we will consider the triangle A, E and D. A, E and D. Okay, we will consider the triangle A, E and D. Somewhere here the B point is there. This is P, this is Q and this is R. Now this is the right angle. It means this is the nearer side and this is the hypotenuse side. This is the farthest side and this is the hypotenuse. Okay, so it means that we need to find the BE value. So by using the sine cos formula, we can say that cos, this is theta, so this will be also considered as theta. Will be also considered as theta. So we can say that cos theta is equal to BE by BD, BE by BD. Okay, we have the value of BD. Cos theta is equal to BE by Q. It means BE is equal to Q cos theta. Same as sin theta is equal to DE by BD. So DE is equal to Q sin theta. That means the value of DE is Q sin theta and this is Q cos theta. Now we need to find the resultant force R. So applying the Pythagoras theorem, which is AD is equal to under root of AE square plus DE square. So AE is equal to AB plus BE whole square plus DE square, and AD is equal to R. AB is equal to P plus BE is equal to Q cos theta whole square plus Q sin theta whole square. So the equation will be P square plus 2PQ cos theta plus Q square cos theta cos square theta plus Q square sin square theta. Open up the cons. Now you can write it P square plus 2PQ cos theta. Let me common the Q square value. Q square is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now we all know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That's why the equation will be P square plus 2PQ cos theta plus Q square. Equation of R. Okay, I hope you all understand that's how I find the equation of R. Now find the value of alpha. So how we will decide the value of alpha? How we will decide the value of alpha? So here is the alpha. If this is the alpha, so I will use the equation of tan alpha. This is the D by A. So tan alpha is equal to D is the value Q sin theta and A is equal to AB plus BE. It means Q sin theta by P plus Q cos theta. Likewise, I have found the value of the alpha. Okay, I hope you all understand. Now moving towards the law of triangle.